It's a beautiful day in the heart of Lekki Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, I'm presently reaching you from Sangotedo, just behind Blanco. This 5-bedroom fully detached house for sale in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria is presently in the market for 160 million naira asking. This house is spacious because the car park space can conveniently take 3 cars. It has a governor's consent and a building approval. Without further ado, I'm going to flip this camera now, show you the surrounding for you to know that it's already a habitable area, and then I'll take you inside to see this house. Come quickly with me. This house that I'm about to show you is a 5-bedroom fully detached house situated in Sangotedo, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm going to show you the surroundings first of all. So this is the street where it is. You can see that in front of the house is already interlocked. There are drainages to the left and to the right. There are drainages already. So this is a drainage right here, all covered and nice to see. This house is quite an affordable house, so you shouldn't be expecting too much. It's, nice spaces and all of that. It's just it's a very functional house, not much luxury and all, and that is why it's going for 160 million naira. So this, look at the stamped floor. You can see that the compound is elevated from the street, which is already interlocked. The street in front of the house is already interlocked. So this is the gate. It's also a slide gate. It can also be slid like this, but it's locked at the other side. So we'll just enter from here. So this is the compound space. I mentioned before that this compound space can take 3 cars conveniently. So there'll be one in front, one at the back, and one will stay right here. So this is, so this is the powerhouse as well. This is actually where the carport is going to stay. Then look at the powerhouse here, where the cutout, the changeover switch, and the prepaid meter will stay. So let me take you around the compound. So this is the side of the house right here. This is the side of the house. I told you guys that it's a basic functional house, and that is why it's coming at this price. So this is the back of the house. This is the BQ. It comes with a BQ. The BQ is en suite. So this is the BQ, the shower and the toilet right here. So this is the back door, which we're not going to enter from. This is the tap outside. Then there's another tap here for washing of cars, of course. This is another tap here. We can see that the walls are high here, but there's security at the entrance of the street. So you know how we do. I'll show you the house from top to bottom. So that's it from top to bottom. Okay, so we approach the living room now. This is the living room. Right, you can see the spotlights up there, then the console here. Then your dining can actually stay here, across here, or here. So these are the windows. You can see that there are a lot of windows for cross ventilation. I didn't show you the door. It's a wooden door. You can change your door if you like, but this is basic. Like I said, it's a basic house. That's the AC plant up there. Then there's a speaker up here as well. Speaker here, right, and another one here. Then that's your console. That's where the console will be, right? So let's go into so this is the toilet, the sink and the toilet, the guest toilet, right, and the sink. Then we're approaching the kitchen now. Why don't we just dive into the kitchen? So you have your kitchen is fitted. It has your oven and your microwave. Then these are all drawer spaces. You see, this looks like marble. It looks like marble, but it's all wood, right? Then that's the heat extractor down there. Then this is the gas here, wood. And this is the marble top. Then the double sink. Then the tap. This is your island. It has more storage space as well. Then this is where we'll house your dry cleaning machine, your machine, or your dishwasher. And this is the back door of the kitchen. Then this, you can have your fridge kept here. Then, this space, it's a really sizable, just a sizable kitchen with a lot of storage space right there. Then those are the lights up there. Then it has a speaker. Let's go into the guest room right now. So this is the guest room. Not so big, but it can take a 6x4 bed. Then this is the wardrobe space. This is your toilet, your sink, water heater, shower cubicle. Then there's light up there. Let's go upstairs together right now. So this is the staircase. I keep saying it's a basic house, nothing serious, just a very functional house. And for the price, I think it's pretty okay. So this is we're approaching the lounge right now. So this is upstairs now. This is your lounge for the family lounge upstairs. So this is where your console will be. Then your lights are up there. Then there's a speaker here, the AC plinth over there, right? So let me take you to the first room upstairs now. So this is your wardrobe, pretty much the same thing, 6x4 bed, pretty much the same. So that's the water heater, the toilet seat, the sink, and the shower cubicle here. So double windows as well for cross ventilation. So that's the entirety of the room space. This is the first room on the top floor. Then let me show you another room. This is another room, 6x4 bed. I like the fact that this one has the buried wardrobe, so it still gives enough space within the room. So cross ventilation windows. Then this is the AC plinth, the light up there, then the toilet, the sink, the water heater, and the shower cubicle, right? So this is for here. It's a 5-bedroom house, like I said. So for here, another one of the rooms here, pretty much the same thing. The wardrobe, the cross ventilation windows, then the AC plinth, the lights up there, then the toilet. They're all rooms en suite. The heater, the toilet, the sink, and the shower cubicle right here. So yeah, so this is the entirety of the room space here, right? So this is the master bedroom we're going into now. So it has a balcony that leads outside. So here's your balcony here. That's all the way down is your balcony, right? So look at that space. This is the space. This is the entirety of the space here. You have the long window here, this window, and that window. Then you have the speaker there. You have the small light up there, light up there. Then the spotlight up there, right? Then you have your, will I call it a walk-in closet? Yeah, well, you have a closet here. That's the closet here. This is your closet here. Then this is your toilet, your bathtub. That's marble at beside the bathtub. Then your sink, your water heater, the shower cubicle, and the toilet, right? So this is the entirety of the space in the master's bedroom. So this is a tour of a very functional, basic 5-bedroom, fully detached house situated in Sangotedo, just behind Blanco. It has its own security. It's a basic, like, functional house. Everything works. Call the number on the caption of this video, and I will give you a seamless purchase experience. My name is Antonia, your irresistible lady realtor. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for always liking my videos. I really do appreciate it. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep supporting. Thank you so much. I love you all. Till my next video, it is bye for now.